The Square Scrub EBG-20C pivot and the EBG-28 pivot are orbital floor machines used for the cleaning, polishing, stripping, and sanding of many different floor types. When operating the pivot, you should wear safety boots, safety glasses, and the appropriate gloves. Wearing rubber gloves is also important to avoid chemical exposure and to keep off harmful bacteria when cleaning an area such as a bathroom. Wearing a face mask while dry stripping VCT will help with airborne dust. And finally, the use of safety glasses is required when dealing with chemicals. The pivot machines come in 20-inch and 28-inch versions. Both have a pivoting head to follow uneven floors effectively, with adjustable handles for the user's comfort. The rectangle-shaped head allows you to get into corners where the round machines can't. They also have removable weights and an optional two-piece handle that can be removed for easier transport. Always refer to the operator's manual for safety and operational instructions. A QR code can be found on the machine that will take you to the owner's manual online. To get started using your pivot, tilt the machine back and apply the proper pad to the grip face. Stand the machine back up and position the handle at the height that's comfortable. Plug in the pivot to a wall outlet and squeeze the handle on either side. While operating the machine, walk at a slow, steady pace, slightly overlapping each pass. To shut off the pivot, simply release the trigger. Unplug the machine when not in use. Be certain to rinse off any chemical you have used off the bottom of the machine, including the grip face. Also, when storing the machine, always have a driver pad under the machine. This will protect the grip face from damage. When cleaning floors like tile and grout, LVT, and rough concrete, use the blue tile and grout pad. In most cases, all is needed is a little water.